Welcome to Yankeetown, Florida, a quaint town located along the WIthlacoochee River in north central Florida. This deep water riverfront home boasts some of the best fishing in the country, and if that's not enough, it's only minutes from your dock to the Gulf of Mexico. The 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home features real hardwood flooring, updated kitchen and baths, stainless steel appliances, wood-burning fireplace, beautiful window treatments, all with incredible water views and a private cove. The master suite is located on the first floor and drips in designer touches. So bring your family, friends, your boat, and make beautiful memories with days spent on the river or cruise the Gulf of Mexico. Have a cookout on your deck or fish from your new private composite dock. Whether it's your new residence or your vacation getaway, this home is the perfect choice.